How to add image in AppSheet 2025. To add image in AppSheet 2025, follow these steps. First, go to your browser. Then search for Google AppSheet. Then click on the AppSheet link. Then sign in using any option you like. Then click on Create section. Then select the app option from the list. Then select any methods you want. Then select the template. You can use the search icon to find specific template. Then type your app name. Then click on Copy App option. Then click on New Task option located on the right side. Then enter task name. Then click on Image option and add your image. Add link if you want. Then add attachment if you want. Then select Repeat option yes or no. Then review date and time. Then select Save. Thanks for watching.